Yo, yo.
Oh my god, dude! That was so damn funny.
Airhorn.com/killmebeautifulks.
Hey, we're at the walk.
There you go. Yo, just keep going, dude. Keep going. Keep going. Ready?
Yeah. Gotta go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks, man.
Good. Wait. Why not?
Ready?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm recording.
What's up, dude? Out of the gate! Burns? Do you know how to get to Burns?
Yeah. You guys
What?
really want to go to Burns?
Yeah, tonight we're supposed to be going.
Take the road and go straight north.
Rookie returns! Out of the gate! Out of the gate!
Protect the geese, Gary!
What are the geese? What are the
Swing
geese?
left, protect your face.
Hit him in the nuts.
Don't go for it if you can't hit it, dude.
Keep breathing.
Come on.
Oh shit!
come on, Gary.
What are the geese?
Let go.
What's up? Hey, do you know where Burns is at?
What?
You know where Burns is at?
What is that, bud?
Burns, you know where the city's at?
Oh, the city?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, boys.
Hey, do you know where Burns is at?
Out for some nice bike rides. Keep kids off drugs.
Do it.
What up, man?
What up, man? What you doing? Do what?
Do it.
Okay.
Turn on the night shot. What? Why?
I don't know, the rockstar called and was like, be sure if you need to talk.
Really?